morning, YouTube. It's Donna Love back with another video, and today's video is going to be a vlog of my trip. So we actually have been here since yesterday morning, but I didn't vlog anything because I didn't do anything. I literally just sat in the house because I was so tired. Literally, I was so tired. I just ordered food here, and yeah. Before this video comes out, y'all probably already gonna see my house tour of where we're staying. And yeah, so today we are going dog sledding. It's currently like 9:30 in the morning, and I have to get ready. So I'm about to get ready, and I'll just record me getting ready for dog sledding, and I'll show you my outfit when I'm dressed. And yeah, it's snowing outside. I'm gonna show y'all after I do my little toiletry things. But yeah, make sure to keep watching. Make sure to also like, comment, and subscribe, and to get notified for whenever I post new videos. Come on. So as y'all can hear, we're at the dog sledding place, and y'all hear all the dogs howling, barking, all that. And so they're currently getting the dogs set up. This is our outfits. We have on some moon boots with the little goggles and our hoods on because, as y'all can see, it is snowing. But this is what it looks like. And they're getting dogs set up. So yeah, just stay tuned so y'all can see when we actually get ready to go dog sledding.
Okay, look, you got your skater on there. All those skating.
Lord, get off the ice. Get your ass off the ice. We're not going to the hospital.
I can't even use that if you're cussing.
Yo, we just finished ice skating and everything, and now we're at this place called The Peak on the resort. It is so pretty. I'm literally coming here later, and I'm literally coming and swimming. Because look, it's hot all year round. Is it hot?
It's like that's not better.
It's still good too.
I just got my food.
They want to go to New York so badly. Well, this one does. So we gotta get them through Shirley Temples.
We're back at the Peak, and
Oh, mistletoe moment.
going bowling. So we got axe throwing and bowling in one. And we gotta go to golf. But look how cute. Yo, we bowling.
A lot of babies over there bowling.
Go, Greggy! Oh, she a professional bowler. You was a you cheated. go. Dang. You go. Yes, sir. Is it recording? Yeah. You sure? Oh, yeah, it is. But they say picture. Now it is. Are you going to finish? Oh.
It's okay, go get it.
Just needed a little more rotation. But it's that like
Go get it. Come on. I'm laughing at you because I was the same way. You're definitely my child.
try whenever you do it, flick your wrist a little more.
Flick your wrist. Look at the flick of my wrist. Here, let me try when you're done. I can't do it either.
So with one hand, you grab like the base like this. You do it. You're gonna want to just step. Turn over your head.
This don't feel right.
I know, right? It was harder to me. Yeah, you should.
That will conclude my one-day vlog vacation trip, I guess. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure to hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post. Bye.